If you've ever felt overwhelmed trying to find the right issues inside Jira, this video is going to make your life so much easier. And today, I'm breaking down exactly how to sort your issues using Jira Query language, JQL, so you can instantly organize your workflow like a pro. By the end of this guide, you'll know how to filter, sort, and reshape your view with full control. Let's jump right in. To start sorting with JQL, head over to Jira and open your project. On the left-hand dashboard, click your work and select the project you want to work with. Once you're inside, look at the top and choose the Issues tab. Now, here's the important part. Switch from basic search to advanced by clicking the link beside the search bar. This opens the JQL editor where all the real power lives. Now let's write your first sorting query. Type this in. Project equals your project order by created DESC. The first part, project equals your project, simply tells Jira to show issues from the project you selected. The second part, order by created DSC, sorts the results by the newest issues first. So if you're trying to see fresh tasks, recent bugs, or updated tickets, this is the fastest way to pull them up. But sorting doesn't stop there. Maybe you want to sort by the most recently updated issues instead of newly created ones. Just swap created with updated. Want to sort by importance? Replace it with priority. And if you prefer seeing the oldest items first, change DESC to ASC. Within seconds, you can completely flip the order of your issue list. Once your query looks right, hit enter or click search, and Jira will generate your sorted results instantly. From here, you're free to get creative. You can sort by status, issue type, reporter, or even your custom fields. If you combine filters with sorting, you'll create dynamic views that highlight exactly what matters in your workflow. No more digging through clutter or guessing where tasks went. And that's it. Simple, powerful, and incredibly useful. If this helped you master JQL sorting, make sure to stick around for more Jira tips, automation tricks, and full productivity guides. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.